Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group and I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list, and we have to become our support and strength. So start your preparation and let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And also, if anyone have doubts about the filling application of RRB PO or clerk, you can ask in my Telegram group. And also, I filled my application of RRB PO and that link is in description. So if you have any doubts, you can freely ask in my Telegram group. And tomorrow is day 17. So as usual, daily in morning, revise basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values and some vocabulary words, etc. So daily in morning, revise basics of each subject and don't forget to revise basics of any subject. And after that, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And who are beginners, they can prefer from adda 247 or grade up. And who are already preparing, they can from affairs load or study IQ. So daily in morning, give 1 hour for reading daily current affairs. And after that, watch an editorial video from adda 247 YouTube channel by Santhosh sir. And daily in morning at 8 AM, there is a live class of editorial video. So daily in morning, watch that video. And after that, on daily basis, attempt a clerk prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas where you are lacking. And note down all the weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And after that, give 1 hour for each practicing quant and reasoning for pre-level. So tomorrow for quant pre-level, attempt quizzes for ages topic. And today we watched video for that. So tomorrow attempt quizzes for ages topic. And also for reasoning pre-level, attempt quizzes for alphanumeric topic. And today we watched video for that. So tomorrow attempt quizzes for alphanumeric topic from any apps. And after that, in afternoon, who are beginners, they repeat the morning schedule and also practice for your weak areas. And also we have many free PDFs for practicing pre-level from Smart Kid and Practice Mark. So practice all those for your pre-level. And also if you weak in any subject or topic, practice for that. And we have many free PDFs. So give your time as much as possible for practicing all these. And after that, in afternoon, who are beginners and who are already preparing, attempt RRB PO mains mock test from Oliveboard website, and that is a free test. So all of you attempt this mock test, and after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And after that, give 1 hour for each reading banking awareness and computer awareness. So tomorrow for banking awareness, read financial banking institution in India from 71st page to 73rd page. And also for computer awareness, read computer operating system from 63rd page to 66th page. And these two PDFs are in our Telegram group. And also in evening, give your time for reading current affairs. And from 2 days, we are reading May 1st week current affairs. So tomorrow, attempt quizzes of May 1st week current affairs from one of your source. And also, I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in my Telegram group, your Bankers Mantra. And also, who are beginners, if you have any doubts about these topics and also about this exam, you can freely ask in my Telegram group and I will provide that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and daily updates. And thank you.